Okay, so here is the threading of my brand new Huepar Laser level. And I actually bought this tripod with the exact same time as I bought the um, laser level. But for some reason, it is getting stuck the second that you try to put the two things together. So here I'm gonna try to do it on video here. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Oh, here, let's do it this way. Okay. Um, so the cool thing is you got this little like quick release plate that kind of lets you like see where it's at and like we'll try to line it up and turn it on there. But it does not like that's hard now and I can't like it's not going any further. And you see the wiggle